Advanced triple cameras and signature back camera light is ready. The iQOO 15 is setting a new standard for flagship smartphones, blending top-tier performance with premium design and next-generation durability. From its vivid 2K OLED display to its powerful internals and water-resistant body, this phone represents iQOO's dedication to performance without compromise. Hey, guys, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. Today we show off new iQOO 15. Let's go. The iQOO 15 is shaping up to be one of the brand's most ambitious flagship smartphones so far, combining raw power, refined design, and serious durability. With leaks and teasers suggesting a global debut soon, this phone seems designed not just for performance, but also for people who want a device that can handle real-world conditions, rain, dust, or splashes included. At the heart of the iQOO 15 lies a stunning 2K OLED display that brings visuals to life with exceptional clarity, color depth, and contrast. Whether you're streaming a movie, gaming at high frame rates, or editing photos, the screen offers a fluid and immersive experience. The ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate ensures every swipe and animation feels effortless, while adaptive brightness and HDR support enhance the overall viewing comfort in any lighting environment. Built for real-world use, the iQOO 15 introduces enhanced water and dust resistance, providing peace of mind against spills, splashes, and unpredictable weather. So guys, this is fresh information, iQOO 15. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will receive our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.